Yes. So first we'll discuss what is cloud in this session and what are different cloud companies we have in the market. These are the two topics we are going to discuss now. So cloud is nothing but a virtual machine. Cloud is nothing but a virtual machine, virtual server. So whenever any client is doing some business, to maintain their complete business transactions, they'll be using the softwares. For example, Reliance Fresh is there. You know everyone, Reliance Fresh Private Limited in India. Almost in every state, they have branches. Almost every state, they have a branches. Almost every state, they have branches. So the company has opened number of branches in India. Let's say they have around 1,000 stores, nothing but a branches. In every branch, let's say there are 10 employees are working. So it comes total 10,000 employees. 10,000 employees are coming to office every day and they are using the systems. Maybe they are using CPU or laptops and they are entering the information. Every day the customers are visiting the store and they are trying to purchase the material. So they have to maintain their customers information, what items they have purchased, how much discount they got, and we have to maintain the store quantity, how much quantity we have in the store, and stock report. And then we have to maintain what are the items profitable, and loss report has to be generated, and all these employee salaries needs to be maintained, and employees leaves needs to be maintained. So this all business information they want to maintain. I have specified only few things, a lot of information we are supposed to maintain, because this data is very important. Without data, nowadays, no company can do the business, whether it is a small company or medium company or big company, they cannot do the business without data. It is highly impossible. So that's every corporate sector has to understand and everybody is following that. Okay. So when we want to maintain this huge data, earlier what happened, the clients was maintaining their own servers. So what Reliance Fresh company was doing, they used to maintain their own servers. They used to maintain their own servers. They used to buy their servers and keep it in their office, in Reliance office. Any one of the headquarters, maybe in Mumbai or in Hyderabad or Bangalore, somewhere. They used to keep that server room, and all these 10,000 employees every day they'll come to office, their offices, and they'll be connecting this server. They'll be connecting this server. They'll be connecting this server. How they will be connecting these servers? How these 10,000 employees they'll come to everyday office through laptops or desktop, through internet or intranet, either internet or intranet. They used to connect. They used to connect to the server. And Reliance company used to maintain their own DBS. They used to maintain DBS 24/7. 24/7 they used to maintain this. And they used to take care of the hacking problems, backup, migration, upgrade, new applications, new product. This all, everything they used to maintain it. But nowadays, when the cloud came into the picture, so instead of taking this own risk, what cloud people are telling, instead of maintaining your own server, why don't you come for cloud? Why don't you come for our cloud? So anyway, your employees are coming to office, are using the systems and connecting to your server. Instead of connecting to your server, why don't you ask them to connect our servers? Our servers. So what is cloud? Cloud is nothing but a group of servers which are maintaining by using cloud computing architecture and technology. You might have heard data centers. Amazon has started data center in Hyderabad and Mumbai. Google started their biggest data center in Bangalore, and Microsoft is starting the data center in Hyderabad. Like that, you might have heard. These data centers are nothing but a cloud servers. So in the data centers, all the cloud servers will be established. And from there, your clients will be activating all the applications and all. So the main advantage of the cloud is the cost. Cost will be very less. If you are going to maintain your own servers, for example, if it is taking $100 per month expenditure, I'm just giving example, $100 per month, then here it will be $10. It means 90% of the server cost, whatever expenditure maintenance you are going to get, it's going to be saved for your client. That's the reason most of the clients nowadays are moving to the cloud. Another one is upgrade. Whenever we start using some softwares in our servers, for example, today we have purchased one tool, reporting tool. After 2 years or 3 years, new version comes into the market. Same tool with the latest version. Now client has to go for upgrade that. So again, they have to go for entire upgradation process and upgrade project. But here in the cloud, the upgradation and migration will be very easy. That's another major advantage of the cloud. Upgrade and migration will be very easy in the cloud applications. And it is high secure. When we are maintaining our own servers, then we need to recruit the DBS, administrators, network engineers, entire risk we have to take care of it. Okay, but when we are in the cloud, no need to worry about that. We don't need to worry about it. They'll take care. Whoever is providing this cloud services for us, they take care of the server 24/7. We don't need to worry about server is down or up or hacked or data issue is there, application issue is there. These all things they'll take care of it. Okay, so that's the another advantage with the cloud environment. So a lot of applications, automations are there in the cloud area. That's the reason nowadays most of the clients, they are looking for the cloud instead of maintaining their own servers. Its cloud is very simple. It's not related for any technology. Let's say some client is going for cloud means what is the basic meaning? They stopped maintaining their own servers. They stopped using another company servers. Cloud company servers, where these servers are located in their data centers. Earlier in 2011, 2012, what happened? We were having data centers only in US, UK, like that, few countries. That's why, for example, Reliance Fresh is there. It's an Indian-based company doing a business in India. And if the cloud company comes to Reliance, why don't you use our cloud, means our servers? Then Reliance says, I'm doing business in India and my data, I want to keep it in US servers. How it is possible? I'm little bit nervous. I cannot go for that. So what client can do is now, the cloud companies have started opening the data centers in every country. So obviously, instead of maintaining the server in my office, it will be there in somewhere in Hyderabad or Bangalore, and there it will be maintained. Okay, so that's what actually the cloud. By knowing or unknowing, every day we are using the cloud. For example, we have a Facebook. We have a Facebook. We are using the Facebook, right? Every day. We are going to post it. We are going to comment. This all information is not going to saved in our system. It is saved in Facebook servers. That's called cloud. We are using Gmails. So this Gmail data is not going to be saved in our local machines. It's saved in the Gmail servers. That is called cloud because your data is there virtually somewhere in another systems. So that's why we call it as cloud is nothing but a virtual server, which is maintained by some other company. If we maintain, that is our own server for our purpose. If somebody maintain our server, then it's going to be a cloud. It's going to be cloud. Okay. What are different cloud companies are available in the market? Who are providing these cloud services to the customers? Top 5 cloud companies are in the world. The first cloud is AWS, Amazon Web Services, AWS cloud. So if we go for AWS, they will provide you the server. I'm talking about the hardware. I'm not talking about software. Once you take the AWS cloud, you install Microsoft products, you install Oracle products, you install some open source products, or you can go for install Salesforce or IBM products. Any software you can install. Now we are talking about cloud means indirectly we are talking about the hardware. It means servers. So once you subscribe to the AWS cloud, AWS will provide you the configuration. Depends on your requirement. They will suggest which configuration will work for you. That configuration you can take and start installing the softwares. It's as simple as, for example, you want to buy a laptop. You will go to shop and you will say that I want to buy a laptop. Then shop manager will say, for which purpose? What is your purpose? Is it for education purpose or for development or for gaming or for any server maintenance? If you say, I just want to go with the learning purpose, then they can go for give the better configuration, whatever is required for that. In the same way, whenever any client says that I have my business and this many employees, this many customers, this many transactions day to day, and if they tell the volume and traffic of their business transactions, then the cloud companies will suggest, yes, you can take this configuration server and start using this server and install your applications. Okay, so these are cloud companies we are talking right now. So first one is a AWS is in the first place. Then second, which company? Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is there. So what is Microsoft Azure? It's another cloud. Microsoft Azure also will provide the same services, whatever AWS is providing. It's another competitor. Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud, Salesforce Cloud. There are number of companies, but I given just top five company names I have written. This all companies, what they are doing is they are telling to the clients, instead of maintaining your own server and taking the risk and put most of the expenditure, and instead of going with the upgradations in every year or every 2 years, you just move to our cloud. Means you just use our servers, because we have established data centers across the world in every country. Then you can start using our servers and start using our softwares also. Inside of our servers, we have softwares also. You can start using our applications, or you can buy another products and install. It's up to your requirement. Okay, it's up to the requirement. You can start using. For example, AWS is there. You can buy AWS server, and in that you can install Microsoft product and use it. You can install Oracle products and go for use it. You can install some BI reports and go for use it. You can install Tableau. You can install ClickView. You can go for install Microsoft Power BI, like that. So it depends on the client's requirement, whatever the tools or whatever the products they want to use, software products, they can go for install in the server and start using it. Okay. So these are the different cloud companies who are providing the cloud services to the customers in the world. Top five companies. Top five companies. So I hope this video you have got what is cloud, what are different cloud companies we have in the market, top five companies. And Oracle stands at fourth position. Compared to the AWS, Microsoft, and Google. AWS has started cloud business in 2005. Microsoft almost in 2007. Google in 2003. Oracle has started in 2016. That's the difference. That's the difference. Oracle has started their business in 2000, cloud business in 2016. Now the previous one started. These people are almost 8-9 years back. They have started. but still Oracle is one of the big competitor for the remaining cloud companies. I'll tell you why it is required, or why it has become big competitor for other companies. Okay, so this is how we are going to work here. Thank you.